Hello friends, எல்லாருக்கும் வணக்கம் and welcome to my channel. This video give the explanation for retirement come admission of the partner in partnership accounts. This video give example sum of at the time of retirement and admission of a partner. When one partner is retired from the firm, at the time of new person should come into the firm in the form of admission. This is the explanation for retirement come admission of the partner in partnership firm. Sometimes in a firm, when one partner retires, the continuing or remaining partners may decide to admit a new partner. It is done to ease the burden on the firm for payment to the retiring partner. The capital introduced by the new partner is utilized wholly or partly to pay off the amount due to the retiring partner. Sometimes in a firm, when a partner should relieve or retire from this firm, then remaining partner or continuing partner, they are decided to admit a new partner. It is meant by the retirement come admission. It is for the users only, or it is easy to burden of the firm for payment due to the retiring partner. We have paid to the retiring partner in his interest of the firm or capital of the firm. The company sometimes should not pay the amount or dues at the time of retirement of a firm. They are decided to come into a new person with the capital. This capital is helpful for due to the retiring partner. This is the main purpose of the at the time of retirement come admission. So this is the given for that. The capital introduced by the new partner is utilized wholly or partly to pay off the amount due to the retiring partner. When a new partner will introduce their capital, it is used wholly or partly for the payment of retiring partner. This is the explanation for retirement come admission. I will give the small example of accounting entries or ledgers retirement come admission. A, B and C were partners sharing profits in the ratio of 3:2:1. Their balance sheet on 31st 12 2010 was as follows. So the balance sheet is given in this problem. This is the adjustments or some other items for the retirement come admission of the firm. The following steps were taken on 1/1/2011. C retires and his interest in the firm was valued at rupees 80,000. It was purchased by A and B from their private resources in their profit sharing portion. So the firm is running by A, B and C. Then C will be retired and his amount or interest of the firm, they are valued at rupees 80,000, but C's capital is 60,000, but the payment of the retirement of C 80,000. Then it was purchased. So A and B has purchased from C's share. It is purchased at the private resources, not for the business amount. This is the private resources of A and B in the profit sharing ratio. Then profit sharing ratio is 3:2:1. The next will be, then D was admitted and became entitled in 1/6 share of profits on the conditions that A and B should be credited proportionately for goodwill amounting to rupees 60,000 to be brought in cash by D, and he should bring in capital equal to 1/4 of the combined capital of A and B after adjustment. At the time of C retired, then D will be admitted or into the come into the business in the name of admission of a partner. His profit sharing ratio is 1/6. Then he is credited to proportionately goodwill is 60,000 given by D. Then here D's capital is after adjustments combined capital of A and B. That's all. This is the capital account of on retirement and on admission. On retirement, the opening balance of capital account A, B and C. Then hidden goodwill. This is the 60,000 is C's capital, and her interest is at the time of retirement is 80,000. So 80,000 minus 60,000. So the balance is hidden goodwill. So the 20,000 will given by A and B on the portion of A equal 20,000 into 3/5. Then B is equal 20,000 into 2/5. So this portion is 12,000 A's capital. Then B's is 8,000. Then this amount is debited to A account and B account. Then next adjustment is to cash 80,000. This is the debit balance of C. Then this amount is the amount introduced to the capitals accounts of A and B, because this is the purchase of C's share of total amount of the firm is 80,000. This is divided by, they are purchased from C. Then A equal 80,000 into 3/5. 48,000. B is 80,000 into 2/5, 32,000. He is purchased for the profit sharing ratio. So the cash will be introduced to the business. So the balance will be is carried forward for the new balance sheet. Then this total is 80,000. This total is 1,32,000. B's total is 2,88,000. So the balance will carry forward to 1,76,000, 1,24,000. The next calculation about the admission of a partner. Then opening balance of A and B is they carried forward to at the time of admission. Then goodwill is 60,000 is given by D. So 60,000 equal, A is 60,000 into 3/5. B is 60,000 into 2/5. The next adjustments is the goodwill is, this is already given by the balance sheet of in given formula given sum. So the problem is given by this, the goodwill amount is 1 lakh. Then B's by balance sheet carried forward for this. This is the closing balance of at the time of A, B and D. Then C's capital is introduced to the capital account at the time of admission. This is 65,000. This 65,000 is come from this combined capital of A and B after adjustments. So these adjustments will be deducted from this opening balance. So adjusted amount of A and B 1,52,000, 1,08,000 equal to 2,60,000 into 1 by 4. 1/4 of combined capital of A and B is 65,000. So this 65,000 is D's capital. Okay friends, I hope you have to understand that retirement and admission of the partner at the same time. One partner will be retired from this firm. At the same time, the another person should come into the admission of a partner. So kindly support me. Thank you.